A new shopping center with a Wegmans, Home Depot, and a newly built 6-story office building now sits on the former site of the RCA Electronics Lab Complex along Route 202 in Bridgewater Township, Somerset County, New Jersey. The site was first developed in the 1950s and 60s with 3 single-level buildings. The 6-story tower was built in the 1970s, and by the end of 1999, all 4 buildings would be demolished. At the time, having worked across the street from the site and being fascinated by building demolitions, I contacted the contractor Mazza & Sons and asked for a tour and permission for filming the wrecking ball demolition of the tower. The tour will be the subject of a future video. All the footage seen here was recorded on a full-size VHS cassette recorder, and both the picture quality and the audio quality remain unaltered and are not up to the normal standards of today's digital recordings. However, there were a lot of fun moments from the 2 hours I taped, and you will see all of the building sides come down minus the one I was too early to catch. There are also a few other fun close-ups of the wrecking ball and other large pieces coming down. It was extremely windy the day of this recording, and unfortunately the audio is not very good in addition to being on VHS tape.